upload few videos on trigonometry, particularly the derivation of the formulae, because students generally find it very difficult to manage too many formulae on trigonometry. So I am now planning to give you some tips and tricks how to remember the formulae and also derive the formula and so on. So the first video that I'm going to post will be on the basic trigonometric identities sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 and 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta, and the third one 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. Okay, so now let me take a right angle triangle. Going to take a right angle triangle and let me name this angle as theta, and let me name the vertices of the triangle as ABC. And it is very clear, of course, that sine theta by the basic definition being opposite side by hypotenuse, will it not be AC by BC? And what is cos theta? Cos theta is going to be equal to adjacent side by the hypotenuse, which is therefore AB by BC. And I will also write what is tan theta, cot theta here, because we need to prove the three identities. So I need what is tan theta, which is opposite side by adjacent side. So AC by AB. And hence the reciprocals of these, that is cosecant theta, which is the reciprocal of sin theta, is going to be BC by AC. Secant theta, the reciprocal of cosine or cos theta, is going to be BC by AB, and the last one, which is cotangent theta called as cot theta, is the reciprocal of tan theta, which is AB by AC. Now let us go ahead with the derivation. So for the first identity that I have to prove sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, let me now put in these AC by BC the whole square plus whatever we have written for BC, which is AB by BC the whole square. Now, won't this become AC square plus AB square upon BC square, because both of them have the same denominator BC square. But what is AC square plus AB square? According to Pythagoras theorem, is it not equal to BC square? Hence, now we land upon BC square upon BC square, which is equal to 1. And hence, we have proved the identity 1. Now let me go to the proving of identity 2, that is 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. So what is going to be 1 plus tan square theta? According to what I have written for tan theta here, can't it be written as 1 plus AC by AB the whole square, which will therefore become 1 plus AC square upon AB square, which is equal to AB square plus AC square upon AB square. So the numerator becomes the hypotenuse, which is therefore BC square upon AB square, which therefore means that is the reciprocal of cosine, because cosine is AB by BC, the reciprocal is BC by AB, and it is squared. Therefore, don't you see that this becomes secant square theta? And therefore, I am leaving the 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta to be proved by the student. You can just make a try on it. If you still don't get it, you can just message me to my mobile, which I have mobile number, or you can mail me, which I have shared in the description box.